आरोग्यम परमम भाग्यम, स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम. That is, health is the ultimate wealth, and with good health, every task can be accomplished.
Human health begins even before birth, shaped by the conditions and care a mother receives during pregnancy. Yet, for many, this journey is marked by unseen risks. Every 9 seconds, a baby is born preterm, contributing significantly to global newborn mortality and long-term health challenges. Preterm birth can lead to lifelong health challenges, including poor growth, developmental delays, disabilities, and chronic disease. Recognizing that fragmented research had failed to capture the complexity of this syndrome, the Department of Biotechnology launched Garbhini in 2015, a collaborative initiative led by Translational Health Science and Technology Institute, Faridabad, bringing together DBT, BRIC institutes and leading healthcare partners. The vision was simple yet powerful. By collecting serial clinical, dietary, imaging, environmental, and biological data throughout pregnancy, researchers could better understand poor outcomes and develop tools for early prediction and prevention. This first-of-its-kind program has established a pregnancy cohort at Gurugram Civil Hospital, enrolling over 12,000 women and following them through delivery and beyond. Phase 2 extends this work into early childhood growth and development research. This platform supports WHO-led global research for establishing age-normed D-scores using the global scales for early development, serving as a public health tool to assess whether children are on track developmentally. A landmark Garbhini study in the Lancet Global Health found that nearly half of mothers delivered small, vulnerable newborns. In response, the team has developed a data-driven risk stratification tool to identify high-risk women to enable their enhanced care. Using its ultrasound image repository, Garbhini is building AI-powered tools, Garbhini, GA2 and Gauge, currently being validated across different regions of the country for accurate fetal age assessment, and developing Pragati, a portable device that flags high-risk pregnancies with a simple traffic light system. Dietary data collected in the cohort shows lower than recommended calorie intake during pregnancy, with more than 45% women showing iron, vitamin B12 and vitamin D deficiency during early pregnancy. Garbhini uses multi-omic studies to predict preterm birth in advance and have identified 66 genetic variants, novel protein and metabolite panels for early screening. 2 key probiotics from vaginal microbiomes that may help prevent preterm birth and other diseases are advancing with industry partners. Our placental research has discovered molecular signatures to predict preeclampsia, driving precision pregnancy care. Together, these breakthroughs exemplify Atmanirbharta in addressing India's maternal and child health challenges. More than 10 lakh unique biospecimens from over 12,000 mothers have been archived as 1.6 million aliquots at India's first NABL-accredited biorepository under the ISO 20387. Genetic data from 6,000 women have been generated and deposited at the IBDC. Through the Garbhini Drishti Data Sharing Platform, this biosource and imaging repository, South Asia's largest of its kind, supports researchers nationwide. Garbhini exemplifies convergence of scientific rigor, clinical expertise, technological innovation, and public health commitment to solve a critical problem. The fruits of Garbhini will be seen over the years to come. The ultimate measure of success will not be in publications or patents alone, but in fewer babies born too soon, healthier mothers, and children given the best possible start to life, an important step towards Viksit Bharat.